Doing a little twist on your egg roll, restaurant egg rolls, but we're doing it from the comfort of our home, a healthier way without the roll. We're making an egg roll bowl, super quick, all of about 8 minutes. Let's get to cooking. Starting off with the egg roll in a bowl with a little bit of sesame oil on top of our griddle here. You're probably gonna need about 2 tablespoons. Now I'm cutting corners here because again, I am a busy mom, busy individual. Go ahead and buy you that already garlic paste in a little jar like this, or a little squeezy tube rather. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of your garlic paste. A little bit of ginger paste, same thing, about a tablespoon there. Now what I love about these flavors is, well, it's Asian flavors, right? Little Asian zest. Really adds that tang into your egg roll in a bowl. Let it cook down for just about a couple of seconds. Now we're gonna go to our protein. Today I am using ground turkey. Why am I using ground turkey? Well, it's healthier, but also you can totally use ground pork, ground chicken, really whatever you have in your pantry or your refrigerator rather. And you're just gonna let it cook down, chop it up, let that ginger, that garlic, and that sesame oil really marinate within the meat here. And then we're gonna let this cook down probably for about 5 to 6 minutes until you start to see a little crisp on that ground turkey. And of course, until it's finished. Now we're gonna come back, we're going to add our slaw. Now there's 2 different slaws I'm using in this recipe. There is a broccoli slaw, there is a traditional coleslaw. And all I'm gonna do is add a little bit of soy sauce here. Of course, we gotta have soy sauce. I mean, it's egg roll in a bowl, right? Just about enough to kind of coat the top there. Then you're gonna come back, you're gonna add a little bit of bachans, basically an Asian barbecue sauce. Now we're gonna add some salt and pepper, of course, according to how your flavor taste is. Probably adding about a half of a teaspoon here because there's already so much salt within the soy sauce and the bachans itself. Adding about a quarter of a teaspoon of your pepper or whatever floats your boat here. That simple, y'all. We're gonna toss it really quickly. Look how beautiful that is. Now we're gonna go ahead and check on our turkey. Do not want our ginger paste and our garlic paste to burn. So just make sure you're keeping an eye on this. Chopping it as you go, that's the fun part. Make sure you chop up that turkey really good and just keep an eye on it. Again, you do not want that garlic paste and that ginger paste to burn. So just toss it every once in a while. All right, we're gonna check just real quick, a little quick toss on our broccoli. We're gonna let this cook down for a minute and we will be back. Well, the broccoli slaw is almost done. Now, little side tip here, don't let it get soggy. I'm gonna slide these off to the side here. And right in the middle, I'm going to add my rice. And also, pro tip here, just use the microwavable kind because all it needs is a little bit of water to steam and it's done. I'm gonna move my meat here because it is almost done, and I do want to add my eggs because that's the yummiest part of this. Now we're gonna do 2 types of eggs here. We're gonna do 2 sunny side up for that pretty topper on your bowl. A sexy egg, right? A little bit of a sexy egg, I believe my friend Betty loves to use. Blackstone Betty, shout out to you, girl. We are scrambling just 2. And the front 2, I'm gonna keep as my sunny side up, my sexy eggs. Now, once this egg is done cooking down, we're gonna mix it all with the ground turkey, and then we're gonna literally mix everything else. We're gonna move everything to the center and start a plating. Look how beautiful that is. CJ, it's like Picasso, right?
Just like Picasso.
Picasso in a bowl. All of our ingredients are now mixed together, looking good. We got a plate. We're gonna bring it into a bowl. Then we're gonna add those sexy eggs right on top. Now I like to garnish this with some spicy mayo. You can totally do some boom boom sauce if you wanted to. We're gonna add a little bit of green onions, some sesame seeds, and top it off with some bachan. This looks insane. I cannot wait to eat this. Oh, we gotta break this sexy yolk. Get that into the rice there. Oh, looks so good. All right, let's try it. Let's see if I can do this with chopsticks. See how talented my chopstick skills are. All right, here we go.
Those were decent skills.
Oh, y'all, this is amazing. And honestly, I'm being honest here. I'm not missing the egg roll wrapper. Like, this is the good stuff. This is what you want, is what's inside. Absolutely delicious. This is a crowd pleaser. This is a family pleaser, and you're getting the best bang for your buck. You don't have to go to restaurants for this. Absolutely amazing. Remember, at the end of the day, you want to keep it quick, you want to keep it simple, and you want to keep it delicious. I'm Taylor Mock, and I will see you on the next episode.